Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors and welcome back to the channel. This company called Sarmert Dashcam has sent me a dash camera. It's a 2K, it's got night vision, park mode, voice guide, it tells you what to do, and it's got loop recording. It's all on an app. They've seen my channel and I do a lot of traveling for YouTube and doing content creating. People have ridden with me are just surprised that I don't have a dash camera. These people reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in it, and I was like, absolutely. So let's dig into this and let's install it. It's going to be a little bit of work. I think we can handle it. So let's get into this and see how hard it is to put together. And this is got 32 gig. Let's open this up. There it is. They've got this little thing that's going to stick to the glass. It's got instructions. That's for the glass. You put that actually on the glass. Let's see what this is. All right. Let's see. So it comes with a pry tool. This is in the audio world. This is great for popping off your dash and different things like that have clips. These are clips with stickies if you need to push it up against anything. And then here is your power. So this plugs that's a USB-C, plugs in just like that. And it looks like, yep, it does have a SIM card in it. Yeah, so that plugs in there. This plugs into your cigarette lighter. So let's go install it. All right, I got everything. Oh my goodness. It's 100 million degrees. Let's turn the truck on. Get the AC on. So we've got the dash cam, the power, got this. And I brought some of these lens wipes so we can wipe off the camera. And I'll kind of give you a briefing on how we're going to do it. So we're going to stick it up in here. We're going to pop this off. We're going to run the wires right up in here. And then right across here and down the side, up underneath the dash and into the cigarette lighter. And promise you, it's not as hard as you might think. If you don't feel comfortable doing this at all, obviously you can use a professional. I couldn't imagine it being extremely expensive. This doesn't take real long. Let's get this open and get the glass clean. Let's see here. That is clean. And then pop this off. Stick it right there. Boom. All right, that's money. I need to get that little clip thing, that little plastic plier thing. I'll be right back. Everything's black, so it's hard to see if I got it. All right. This is not really hard, I promise you. We're gonna pop this off here. That little sticky thing. I'm gonna put the camera right there. Boom. Nice. So I can still see everything. All right, so now it's the power stuff. There we go. We'll plug this in right here. Boom. Shove it up in here. Just like that. Up inside here. Just like that. And we're gonna go across here, but I need to get this off, which is a 10 millimeter. You don't have to take it completely off. Just need enough room to shove it up underneath here. Try to keep it as clean as possible. There we go. Boom. All right. Shove everything up nice and tight. Let's put this back here. Let's tighten this back up. Boom. All right. There it is. All right. We need to bring you around. It's got this little rubber flap. We're just gonna shove it all up inside that little rubber flap. There. Let's open this up a little more. I realize not every car is equal. But they all pretty much do the same on how we'll run this. Let's get this flap. Come on. There we go. Trying to get this thing clean as possible. There we go. There it is. Boom. All right. So now we're going to take this, run it around here. Mine, this thing here just pops off like that. So I'm going to go in and plug this in over there first so I can put all the extra wire underneath here. So let's plug that in real quick. Boom. Shove this wire right up underneath here. That's it talking to us.
Recording started.
Recording started. Okay. All right. Let's put one of those little sticky things that they brought us. I'll be right back. Let's get a couple of those sticky things. There we go. Always have extra napkins, if you know what I'm talking about. So they come with these little sticky things here. There we go. Let's see. Put one right here. So when that comes up, slide that in right there. There it goes. Boom. There's that. And so all we got to do now is just shove this up in here. Do a nice little, you can wire tie this. I might take one of these and shove it up in there, but I'll be right back. I see a spot right there. Boom. Let's see, will that fit? Might just wire tie it. Just put a wire tie right there. That's probably what I'll do. Just give me a little bit of trouble. Let me go grab a wire tie. Boom. There we are. Always keep some extra wire ties in the camper. All right. Put all the extra wire right there, and then make sure the teeth are facing the right way. That's always aggravating. All right, there. All right, I need to cut that. I left my knife in the dang shop. All right, got me a little knife cutter. There we go. Let's cut that right there. Boom. All righty. That is done. All right, so now we need to just install the app. So let's do that. All right. So this is powered on because we got it plugged in in the manual on page 10. There's a QR code here because we got to do the app. Let's see, put the camera on that thing. What's wrong with the camera? There we go. Alrighty. So it's KACAM. Double click. Huh, I wonder why the rating's so low. It's a 1.9. Boom, let's open it. Boom. Connect. Boom. Now, oh, I don't know why my hand is like that. Picture to picture. Oh, that's cool. All right. So now we have a dash cam. Freaking sweet. That wasn't too hard. That wasn't too bad. I hope I made this look easy for you guys. It's not super hard. I don't want you to be afraid to not try. Just have to run it up. The most difficult part would probably be right here, but all of this is super simple to get to, and wrapping around there. I don't think it's real hard. There's an upgrade version of this where you can get a rear camera, but you have to run the wire to. That can be a little bit of challenge, I imagine. For the run the back, you'll have to run through the panels underneath your seat. But just a front camera, I already have a rear camera. This has been fairly easy and nice. I like it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the bell for notification. We do really cool adventures every Saturday, usually e-bikes and other things. But I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.